Hello everyone and welcome to Uneek Gifts. This is my first unboxing from Flow Collaborative. I am so excited. I even forgot what I ordered. I'm so jazzed. I was like a little kid at my window waiting for their dad to come home from work. I was so excited. So I'm going to go ahead and open this box up. Let's get this party started. So the first thing I'm going to do is show you what I bought, like what I actually paid for, and then I'll show you fingers, and then I'll show you what I got for free, and I'll also link my referral a friend link at the bottom just in case you're wanting to get your very own Flow Collaborative. My gosh, this is awesome. Oh, cool. So it comes with this wonderful note from my Grove guide named Jamie, and she actually was emailing me and making sure I was comfortable with my process. So thank you, Amy or Jamie. Okay. Oh, look at that. They make sure they pack it well. That's good. So let me move these out the way. These will be good for when I pack gifts up for all those people I know. So, oh my gosh. So they gave me a reorder slip. Oh, this is my order. Okay. So this is my whole order here. And we're just going to go through one at a time. So the first thing that's on my list, and I'm going to pull out of my box hopefully, is the chlorine-free bleach. It's well packaged. I'm telling y'all, this is awesome. They make sure that everything... Oh, Needle, look! It's got a little safety thing on it. Neat. This is awesome. So one of the things I got that I paid for was the antibacterial bathroom cleaner and spearmint. I'm just going to take this wonderful paper off. I've never been so happy to clean my house. I watch Amanda in This Crazy Life, and she talks about, you know, waking up your cleaning routine and everything like that. So it's going to be fun to do. So I'm just going to get this a quick opening and I'll be right back. So honestly, I just smelled this and it literally smells like that spearmint gum. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So that's one thing I'm excited to have. The other thing is another thing I ordered, and it is the Daily Method Wood for Good Daily Cleaner, and it's in the scent almond. I'm just going to take the tape off of this. I like that they tape it down. That's really cool. And there's that. That actually, I think that came in my gift set. No. That didn't come in a gift set. It was another one. So this one here, the Glass for Good Daily Cleaner and the multi-surface cleaner with glass and surface. This was all in a pack together, and that was like $7.99. So that was that. So let me take the tape off this one as well. I am so jazzed. Sorry about all the moving. I don't have my tripod. I don't know where I put it, but it's okay. The show will go on. So the other thing I got was the... Oh, I love this. I was so excited when I saw Amanda put this in her video, and then she uses it a lot on her channel. It's the Bubble Up Sponge Dish, and I'm so ecstatic because you never know how much dish soap you actually use, and I always wanted to try this, and I think this will be a great addition in our house. And what you do is you put a little dish soap in the bottom with some water. Then you push this little wonderful little spring right here. And then you push it up a little bit to let it suds. And then you wash everything up. So I'm really excited to try that out. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I've never been this excited about cleaning products. Like, this is amazing. So then the next thing I purchased was the 7 Generations chlorine-free bleach. It lifts tough stains without the harshness of Clorox. So I'm going to get this open and let you see it. Alright, so I got all the paper off. I love that they make sure that if nothing will spill or anything. And this is the up close and personal part of it. It has zero fragrance, no dyes. It lifts tough stains without the harshing sting of bleach and no harsh smell. Take off that baby right there. Oh, cool. Let me smell it real quick. You know what? It's not bad. I'm excited to use it in our white clothes. I have a load of clothes I need to wash anyway, and I was waiting for this to come in so I can start, you know, using that. Another thing I purchased was this this gel dish soap from Grove. Also, this is in the scent pomegranate and red currant, and I'm so excited. This is one of the refill packs, so I got that. And this came in a set, and I also got the gel hand soap, also in the same scent. And when you got that, this, like I said, this was a set, and then I'm loving this tub. So this is the bottle for it, for the hand soap. So give me one moment, I'm gonna open that, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm just going to pull it out of this little container here. I love that it's bubble wrapped. I love that. And I'm doing this like literally one-handed. I am so awesome. Alright, let's get this going. I don't want to break it. Hold on. I'll be right back. It was a struggle getting this beauty out, but I am so thankful I did. It's got their logo on it. It's got the Grove Collaborative logo on it, but look how beautiful that is. Oh my gosh, it's got literally pomegranates and red currant. This is completely beautiful. I'm loving this. Look at the top. It's so beautiful. The pump on it is excellent and everything. I'm so excited to fill that up with the hand soap. I'm so excited. And here is the other one. It says upgrade your dish soap. So we're going to upgrade it. I'm going to open this and pull it out the container, and I'll be right back. So when I took this little beauty out, I'm telling you, it's like Christmas for me. It's, oh my gosh. I know you shouldn't get all gushy about cleaning stuff, but when you're a stay-at-home mom and you do this every day, this little bit of joy is awesome. It's glass. I mean, it's glass. But I love how clean it looks. And it'll be a staple in our kitchen for years to come. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful that is. Oh, it's so beautiful. Okay, I think that is everything that I purchased. So I purchased this amount here. And they give you the most awesome freebies. So you get freebies for joining, and you also get freebies if you go over a certain amount. So let me just show you the freebies I got. So of course, I'm very excited about it. And again, I say I'm just going to leave my referral code at the bottom for anyone who wants to try as well. So the one thing that they give you for free are these wonderful walnut scrubbers, and they're just a really nice sponge here. It says, I am a tough scrubber with a soft touch. I am so awesome about that. And what I'm going to do is just in my bubble up dish container, if it'll focus, in my bubble up dish container, I'll put my walnut scrubbers in. So I'll use that with that. So I'm awesomely excited about that one. Stay over there, please. The next thing I got was this for free is the Mrs. Meyers dish soap, and I got it in the Blue Bell scent, and it comes with this wonderful squirt top, and I'm gonna love this. I think I'm gonna put this in my bubble up dish soap, and this will just be the soap for my bubble up. I don't know, because I'm really excited about that pomegranate red currant scent. And here is this, and let me give it a quick smell. my goodness, my dishes are gonna smell so good. I'm sorry. Oh, my dishes are gonna smell so good. I think this is like it might be their spring scent. I don't know. I'm not familiar with Globe Collaborative to know which scents are for which season. A lot of the stuff I see on a lot of the young ladies that are on YouTube that do Grove, they tell me which scent is which, and I'm thankful for that. And the next thing I got is the, what is this? Rainwater hand lotion, and it's got shea butter and almond oil. I'm really excited to try this. I'm actually going to keep this in my kitchen, so when I'm done washing my dishes, I can go ahead and do that. It is plant-based, moisturizing ingredient. It has essential oils. It has shea butter and almond oil and glycerin, but it doesn't have all that wonderful artificial stuff and parabens and all that toxic crap. So that's good. I'm excited about that. And then the next thing I got was the Rainwater hand soap, and that contains olive oil and aloe vera. Oh, I'm gonna love using that. That's gonna be awesome. I'm just taking off the label, putting it to the side. I've never been, like I said, I've never been so excited about cleaning products, but this has really got me jazzed to do some cleaning in my house, and I'm very thankful for that. And then I got this wonderful thing here. It is the all-purpose cleaner. It's a concentrate, and I got it in, if I can get this to focus. And I got it in the orange and rosemary, and it's a 1 ounce concentrate, and you just add it to the container. It even gives you the instructions of how to do it. It says twist off the top, put it in your glass container, fill the bottle with water, and replace the nozzle and shake well, or shake gently. And this will be an all-purpose cleaner, but it came with this wonderful container here. Give me a moment. I'm going to unbox it, and I'll be right back. All right. How beautiful is this? It's got the wonderful little, I don't know if you guys could see it. It's got this wonderful little sprit burst on it. There it is. And it's got their name, of course. And I chose the slate kind. And this is beautiful. The trigger on it is like really good, because when I clean, I'm trigger happy. I love a good trigger. And oh my gosh, this is awesome. This is also glass, and that'll be a perfect accessory. And that was also free. That was awesome. Another thing I got for free, which is like the everything, and the reason why I wanted to go to Grove is because I'm doing a lot of go green stuff. I have a daughter on the spectrum, and I was told to make sure my house was very natural and everything like that. Make sure it was calming and soothing, because there, right there, if you can't see that, I actually got a diffuser, and it turns colors and everything, and that is literally for my daughter. So after I did that, I started looking at natural products. Of course, I have been watching these young ladies' channels for a little while, but I never really, looked into much of it until recently. However, I was very thankful when I found out about this company, so I'm very thankful for that. So the last thing I was so excited to receive is this stone tray, as silly as it might sound. It has a Go Collaborative logo on it, but on the other side it is flush, so you don't have to worry about that. So if you want to just display it like this, you go ahead and do that. It's stoneware, and it's dishwasher safe, and I'm going to plan to put, the pomegranate stuff on it, just like this. It's going to be awesome. And I hope my bubble up dish sponge can go up there, and if not, I'll figure out what to do with it. But that is everything, you guys. I'm so excited about my first Grove haul. Again, if you would like to join in the fun and being a Grove collaborative person like I have just became, I will leave my referral link on the bottom. They are doing a 5-piece gift set with your first order, and then they also like to throw an additional things for free once you go over a certain amount. So for what I got, that wasn't bad. I would have paid almost $98, but with the discount and everything I received from the link from Amanda, I was able to get a really nice discount on my next order. And of course, they give you the VIP membership and all that wonderful stuff. It came to a total of $45.17. $45.17, and this is all that I got. And most of this is free. You can't beat that. So thanks so much for watching my first unboxing, and we'll catch you in the next video.